Today we're going to use stick and stitch to do our embroidery. I've never used this stuff before. Step 1, you have to print out your design onto the stick and stitch stuff. Did it work? Woo! It worked! Da, 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 da. So we have to cut this out. You can see I obviously chose a triple moon because that's how I roll. Next we need to peel it off and put it on our fabric. Okay, next step, we're going to take our transferred design that's on this sticky backed fabric that is going to dissolve eventually. We have started the peeling process, and then we're going to put it in the middle-ish of our fabric. This is what it looks like in the hoop. I'm going to sew into the fabric through the top layer, through the bottom layer, and do my design. And I'm sewing. This is how I sew. Okay, so I'm going with 3 strands of embroidery thread and I'm doing a chain stitch all the way around. So this is how it looks. It's got all the stick and stitch fabric off it and it's soaking wet. It didn't take long to get it off at all, literally maybe 3 minutes or less. Warm water seems to help better.